Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to teach you guys how to make a easy Christmas craft. So what we have here, we have this pine cones that looks like a Christmas tree. We got small decors on it, and we have this a Christmas tree on a stick. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make this, and let's do this. Alright guys, so this is the materials that we're gonna need for the Christmas deck or Christmas tree pine cones. So we have this pine cones here that looks like a Christmas tree, and of course we're gonna put some decors on it. So we have this green and red balls here to have a decor on the pine cone tree, and of course you're gonna need a glue so you can put the Christmas balls and glue those on the pine cone. So here's all the materials that we're gonna need, and we're good to go. So let's do it. Alright guys, for start off, so we're gonna put some glue on the pine cone so we can put the Christmas decor. So we got the green ball already there, and then we're gonna stick another one. So you see there, and then put that red ball there. So that's how you do it. So you just continue on putting some glue and try to make it like some decor on the pine cone. Alright guys, so here's the finished product of the pine cone Christmas tree. You see that? It's really good, right? Alright guys, here's the materials that we're going to use for a Christmas tree out of a stick. So we got sticks here. So here's the branches from the tree. And then of course we got ribbons, different kinds of ribbons here. You see that? So we have the checkered one. And of course we got the green and red, and then we got the golden star to put it on top of that tree. And here's the materials, and we're good to go. Alright, to start it off guys, so we're gonna get some tree sticks here. So we got 3 sticks, so we're gonna put some green ribbon first. So we just gonna tie it up on this stick. So we're gonna make sure we are tying it good. So make sure it's tied up so good. Then we're gonna put the checkered ribbon on it. So what we're doing here is we're trying to make it like alternate, so like green, checkered, red, then checkered, then green, just to make the Christmas tree look good. So there you go. So we gotta tie it up again. So, yep, there we go. And we're trying to fix it as well so the Christmas tree looks good. Alright guys, so we're gonna cut some of the edge of this ribbon. So we're trying to make sure that it looks like a shape of a Christmas tree. So we're trying to make the ribbons like cut to it. So we're gonna snip some of it on the other side to make sure like it looks like a Christmas tree. So now we're gonna put the star. So we're gonna stick the star on top of the tree to make the Christmas tree complete. So we're gonna stick it up on top. So there we go. So now our Christmas tree on a stick is complete. Alright guys, so that's how you make a easy Christmas craft. So it's very easy. You just need some pine corn and of course some little balls, the cotton balls, and at the same time you need a stick and a ribbons, like different kind of ribbons to make a Christmas tree out of a stick. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to push that like button, and at the same time if you are new on this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and at the same time if you want more updates on my videos, don't forget to press that bell button and put it into all so you have more updates on my videos. So I want to say thank you guys for watching, and let's go pro.